Hello, in this JavaScript video I am going to cover template literals. So these are a new cool way in ES6 for creating strings. So if we just create a regular string like var, call it str, equals, remember you can use single quotation marks or double quotation marks, so that's a regular string. And I'm going to say hello world, and we need to learn to spell. Just log it out to the console. Save it, and if I reload the page, we get hello world. Imagine if this string is quite long and we want to put it on multiple lines ourselves. If we do that, we'll get an error. This is not valid syntax. That's the same if we were to replace this with a single quotation mark. It doesn't work either. So template literals use the backtick. So it's very similar to a single quotation mark, but it's a slightly slanted. So if we just trigger the backtick on a Mac, it's Alt, and it's that key towards the bottom left that by default says / on a regular keyboard just above the start command key. So Alt that, and that will get you the backtick. If you're not too sure what it is on Windows or on any other platform, just have a quick Google. Just feel free to pop me a message and I'll help you out. Okay, so once you put the backtick, and if we run this, I need to save it actually first. Not saved. If I run it, we still get the same, but look what happens. It still works, but this is on multiple lines now, and this acts as if this is a multi-line string. So that's one cool feature. And you might think, is that the only thing? Actually, no. There's a few other cool things. So if I create another one, and maybe I will. What I'm actually going to do is first create a variable on it could be a let variable, it could just be a var variable, it doesn't really matter. And I'm going to call this age, and I'm going to set this to 26. That is my current age, and I am going to put the backtick. And in here, usually if we wanted to basically concatenate on or put in another variable into a string, we would have to do something like plus age. Obviously I know it's not created yet, but that's sort of what you would have to do. And especially if it's in the middle, you need to close the quotation marks, put the variable in, open the quotation marks, and it's just too much hassle if you've got a lot of variables inside a string. Instead, what we can do is my age is, instead of closing quotation marks or anything like that, you just put dollar, curly braces, the variable name, and then we can continue writing string after this. And I am Batman. So if I save this, and I'll call this var2 just to distinguish a little difference between the two variables. I'll do console.log str2. If I run it, as you can see, my age is 26 and I am Batman. So that allows you to insert other variables directly inside of it, and you could do calculations inside here as well, times 7. So this is a very, very powerful thing. So it's done a calculation, it's done 26 times 7, which is 182. So that's the great thing about template literals, and it's one of the new awesome features in JavaScript. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.